Let's learn about note and rest value. When you hear the words note value, what do you think about? Most people think about money. However, in music, the only thing that money and music have in common is the number value. Different paper money and coins has a different number value. In music, different symbols has a different number value. Before we proceed on, I must tell you that silence is very important to music. In music, silence are called rests. There is a famous classical composer named John Cage who composed a song named 4 minutes and 33 seconds. In this song, the pianist sat in silence for the duration of 4 minutes and 33 seconds. The audience became part of the performance. When you have time, please take a listen to this performance. What are notes and rest values then? It is the duration of notes or rest. In other words, how long should I play a note for, or how long should I rest for? When it comes to naming these notes, there are two naming systems. The American system is similar to numeric values, while the British system is not. Whole note or semibreve is equal to 4 beats. Half or minim is equal to 2 beats. Quarter or crotchet is equal to 1 beat. And eighth or quaver is equal to half a beat. Whole or semibreve. This value has a duration of 4 beats. The note is a oval shape. It can be in a space or in the line. This example is a space note. For the rest, it hangs from the fourth line. Minim or half has a duration of 2 beats. It is similar to a whole note except it has a line or a stem attached to it. This is a line note and this one is a space note. Notice how the rest is sitting on the third line. It looks similar to a hat. The quarter or crotchet has a duration of 1 beat. The note is shaded with a line or a stem. There are two ways to draw a quarter note rest. One is similar to a backward 7, and the next way is a slanted C with a C. The eighth or quaver has a duration of half a beat. It looks like a quarter or crotchet, except for a line that is extended from the stem. This extra line is called a flag. The rest is similar to a number 7. The anatomy of a note. A note has a note head that can be shaded or not. The stem is attached to the side of a note head. Please note that the stem can go up or down. The flag is attached to the stem. When flags are joined together, it forms a beam. Stem direction. As recently mentioned, a stem can go up and down. Notes on the 1, 2, 3rd line can go both ways. It can go up or down. Notes below the 3rd line should look like a letter D. The stem goes up to the right, while notes above the 3rd line should look like a letter P. The stem goes down to the left. Activity. In your manuscript, you are required to draw some of the note and rest values we learned today. Also, you need to answer the 2 questions at the bottom. You may need to review the video to get your answers. Pay close attention to the stem direction. Remember, some stems go up and some stems go down.